Welcome to One Point. In today's video, we'll guide you through installing and configuring the Upsmart UPS monitoring software step by step. Check your UPS manufacturer's CD, sometimes bundled with the UPS. Accept the license agreement. Select the installation path. Default is usually fine. Click Next until installation begins. Connect your UPS to the computer using the USB cable. Open Upsmart software. Communication port set to Mega USB. Simulate a power outage by unplugging the UPS input. Keep devices connected. Show status changes. Thanks for watching One Point.